Welcome to Bunnex Investment Group. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the best indicators that we have released in our company, Sonic Pro FX, an indicator that was coded with consistency in mind to simplify how you trade and to cut down the time you require to analyze the markets. It's for MT5 and very easy to use. You can actually use it and it can send alerts directly to your phone. Alright, so after installation, you actually start to see these arrows. Whenever an arrow fires, it will actually fire a signal directly to your phone. This is provided if the MT4 has been migrated to VPS. For instance, MT5 offers direct VPS, which is very easy to install. After this arrow, you can enter directly without any confirmations that is needed. The only thing that you need to do is to make an entry as soon as it is issued, and your stop loss should be below the market structure. By market structure, we mean this part or this wall candle group or candle gathering that is available in view. So this was a signal that was fired on the 8th of May 2023, and going forth you can see another one was fired at this particular point, and we have said our stop loss is above structure. So in this particular case, we're going to have a stop loss of around 50 pips, and we usually want to get twice what we risk. Therefore, we were going to have 100 pips on the profit side. So 100 pips was around this point. You were going to have your 100 pips at around this point, and the signals are not crowded. We have tried to remove the edge to trade each and every day, and more analysis on how it was firing signals for the first half of this year has been included in the brochure that you can get through our Telegram channel. I've left the link in the description box below. So as you can see, we had two signals so far in May, and then we are now in June. The first signal was this one, whereby we were going to make our entry, our stop loss above structure. In this particular case, 20 pips was actually okay, and we were looking to get twice, which is around 40 pips after this signal was fired. Someone would ask, why am I taking this particular price? It's because we tried to make this indicator fire a signal when a candle is fully closed. If we do not do that, the indicator will start to repaint. Alright, that was the first signal in June. Another signal was fired at this particular point below structure, 20 pips. Around 40 pips was at this particular point. Another entry point was this one, below structure, around 20 pips. Our take profit at around 40 pips, like that. So basically, this indicator takes its signals from trend continuation points. In market maker method, we call them resets, or in general layman's term, we can say they are trend continuation points. You can see at this particular point, it shot a signal here, and another signal was shot at this particular point, and the market went down. So this was now in July. This was the 4th of July and the 5th of July where these signals were issued. And right now, the market is actually at this particular point. We are now waiting to see the next signals that are going to be issued. You can see more information on this particular indicator from the brochure that is in our free Telegram channel. The link is right in the description box below. Happy trading and happy simplified trading.